Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain has earned a reputation for excellent fuel economy, smooth operation, and long-term durability. But even a well-designed hybrid can become an expensive problem when basic maintenance is ignored. The good news is that most Toyota 2.5 hybrid owners do not need to panic when the car starts showing warning signs. The key is identifying problems early, maintaining the gasoline engine and hybrid system together, and refusing to treat the vehicle as maintenance-free simply because it is a Toyota hybrid. As of 2026, Toyota continues to offer 2.5-liter hybrid systems across several models, including vehicles such as the Camry, RAV4, Crown, and others. Exact components and maintenance requirements vary by model and model year, so the owner's manual remains the final authority. Toyota itself recommends following the factory maintenance schedule to help maintain performance and catch problems early. The biggest mistake hybrid owners make. The biggest misconception is that a hybrid does not need conventional engine maintenance. It absolutely does. The electric motors reduce how often the gasoline engine operates, but they do not eliminate oil, coolant, filters, spark plugs, seals, belts, or other service requirements. The 2.5-liter engine still experiences heat cycles, lubrication demands, and normal mechanical wear. That makes regular oil changes one of the simplest ways to protect the engine. Toyota notes that oil deteriorates from heat, pressure, and contamination, and recommends following the specific interval in the vehicle's owner's manual. If you repeatedly stretch oil changes far beyond the recommended interval because the engine runs less frequently, you are taking an unnecessary risk. Protect the cooling system. A hybrid has more than one system that needs effective thermal management. The gasoline engine generates heat, while the hybrid electronics, inverter, battery, and electric drive components also require temperature control. Depending on the Toyota model, the cooling architecture can differ, but coolant condition and proper coolant levels should never be ignored. A low coolant level, visible leak, overheating warning, or unexplained temperature change deserves immediate attention. This is especially important because a cooling system problem can become much more expensive if an owner continues driving while a component is overheating. Do not simply add coolant and forget about it. If the level keeps dropping, find out why. The hybrid battery is not automatically the problem. When a Toyota hybrid becomes sluggish or displays a hybrid system warning, many owners immediately assume the high-voltage battery is finished. That assumption can be expensive. A hybrid warning can have multiple causes, including sensors, cooling problems, electrical faults, control modules, or other components. Proper diagnostic testing should come before approving a major battery replacement. Toyota's current U.S. warranty information states that hybrid batteries in Toyota hybrids beginning with the 2020 model year are covered for 10 years, or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to the applicable warranty terms. Hybrid-related components such as the battery control module, hybrid control module, and inverter converter generally have separate coverage periods. That means an owner facing a major hybrid system problem should check the vehicle's warranty status before paying out of pocket. Keep the battery cooling system clean. One overlooked area is the hybrid battery's cooling airflow. The battery generates heat during operation, and the cooling system needs unobstructed airflow. Dust, dirt, pet hair, or other debris can restrict airflow through the battery cooling intake. A blocked intake does not necessarily mean the battery has failed, but continued heat buildup can place unnecessary stress on the system. The exact location and cleaning procedure depend on the Toyota model. Owners should consult the vehicle's manual rather than blindly spraying, disassembling, or modifying hybrid components. And remember, high-voltage hybrid components are not ordinary 12-volt electrical parts. If the vehicle requires work on the high-voltage system, use a properly trained technician. Do not ignore the 12-volt battery. Ironically, a relatively small 12-volt battery can create symptoms that make owners suspect the much more expensive hybrid battery. The 12-volt battery powers the vehicle's conventional electrical systems and helps initialize the hybrid system. When its voltage becomes weak, a Toyota hybrid can develop unusual warning messages, starting problems, electronic glitches, or other strange behavior. Before assuming that the high-voltage battery has failed, the 12-volt system should be properly tested. A weak auxiliary battery is usually far less frightening than a failed hybrid battery, which is exactly why proper diagnosis matters. Pay attention to warning lights. One of the worst things an owner can do is continue driving for weeks after a warning appears, because the vehicle still seems to operate normally. Warning lights are early information. A check engine light, hybrid system warning, overheating warning, charging warning, or brake system warning should be investigated rather than reset and forgotten. Clearing a trouble code without repairing the underlying problem does not fix the vehicle. It only removes the evidence temporarily. A professional scan can reveal diagnostic trouble codes and help identify which system actually needs attention. Protect the engine from neglect. The 2.5-liter hybrid engine may spend substantial amounts of time switching on and off. That operating pattern makes proper maintenance especially important. Use the correct engine oil and service intervals specified for the particular vehicle. Replace filters when required. Keep the ignition system in good condition, and follow the recommended spark plug replacement schedule. Do not wait for an obvious engine failure before servicing basic components. A few relatively inexpensive maintenance items can prevent a much larger repair bill later. Watch for unusual engine behavior. A healthy hybrid may start the gasoline engine quietly and shut it off frequently. That behavior is normal. What is not normal is a new pattern of rough starts, shaking, misfires, excessive vibration, unusual noises, persistent hesitation, or dramatic changes in fuel economy. Those symptoms deserve attention. If an engine develops a misfire, continuing to drive for long periods can potentially create additional problems. The correct response is diagnosis, not simply replacing random parts until the warning disappears. The transmission is different, but not maintenance-free. Toyota hybrid systems use an electronically controlled transaxle rather than a conventional automatic transmission with traditional gear changes. That contributes to the smooth driving character many owners appreciate. However, the hybrid transaxle still contains mechanical components, bearings, gears, motors, and lubricating fluid. Service requirements vary by model, so owners should follow Toyota's specific recommendations rather than applying generic transmission advice. If there is a new whining sound, vibration, fluid leak, or unusual drivetrain behavior, have it inspected. Brakes can last longer, but they still matter. Regenerative braking allows the electric motor to recover energy when the vehicle slows down. Because of that, friction brakes can experience less wear than they would on some conventional vehicles. But less wear does not mean no wear. Brake fluid still needs attention according to the vehicle's service requirements. Brake components can corrode, calipers can develop problems, and tires remain critical to safe stopping. A hybrid's efficiency does not make basic safety maintenance optional. Tires are part of hybrid reliability. Tires affect fuel economy, handling, braking, and driving comfort. Incorrect tire pressure increases rolling resistance and can reduce efficiency. Uneven wear can also indicate alignment or suspension problems. Check pressures regularly and use the manufacturer's recommended specifications. Rotate the tires according to the maintenance schedule and investigate unusual wear instead of simply replacing the tires. A properly maintained hybrid should be efficient without sacrificing safety. Never ignore leaks. A small puddle underneath the vehicle can be easy to dismiss. Don't. Identify what is leaking before continuing to drive normally. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and other fluids have different colors, locations, and consequences. A leak that looks minor today can become a major failure tomorrow if fluid levels fall far enough. The cheapest repair is frequently the one discovered early. Maintenance records can save the car. One of the most powerful tools for protecting a Toyota 2.5 hybrid is surprisingly simple. Keep records. Write down oil changes, inspections, fluid services, filter replacements, tire work, battery testing, and repairs. This helps you know what has already been done and prevents maintenance from being forgotten. It also makes diagnosing future problems easier because a technician can see the vehicle's history. Toyota provides personalized maintenance schedules through its owner resources, and many Toyota vehicles have scheduled maintenance visits at intervals such as 5,000 miles or 6 months, depending on the model and service requirements. The real secret to keeping it out of the junkyard. There is no magic repair that can guarantee a Toyota 2.5 hybrid will never fail. The real solution is prevention. Change the oil on time. Maintain the cooling systems. Keep battery airflow clear. Test the 12-volt battery when necessary. Pay attention to warning lights. Maintain the brakes and tires. Diagnose unusual noises and performance changes early. Check warranty coverage before approving an expensive hybrid system repair. For newer Toyota hybrids, the factory battery warranty can provide substantial protection. Toyota currently lists 10 years or 150,000 miles for the hybrid battery on qualifying 2020 and newer Toyota hybrids in the US, subject to the applicable warranty conditions. The idea that every aging hybrid is automatically destined for the junkyard is simply wrong. A Toyota 2.5 hybrid can become expensive when neglected, but proper maintenance changes the equation dramatically. The goal is not to wait until the vehicle becomes undrivable and then search for a miracle solution. The goal is to catch small problems while they are still small. That is the real way to save your Toyota 2.5 hybrid from the junkyard. Maintain it before it needs saving.